Hello guys, this is Dabs. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share another video with you. If you're watching my video for the very first time and you are landing on my channel for the very first time, I am Dabs and you're welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. I upload videos every now and then teaching WordPress, teaching you the free things, the things that work, the things that don't work, giving you basic hacks around WordPress, making you look like a professional. So if you're into WordPress, you're trying to design a website, manage your own website, doing things by yourself, then my YouTube channel is exactly where you should be hanging around. In this video, let's look straight into iPage. For iPage users, I want to show you exactly how you can auto install WordPress using iPage. Recently, iPage just went through a new redesign and we have another new interface, just like you can see on my screen right now. And iPage WordPress auto install have not really been working, but right now I want to announce to you that it is working, and I want to show you exactly how to get that done in this video. So if I scroll down on my screen and I come to let me use this domain, dabstutorial.com. So if I click on this domain, from the summary, you can see there are a lot of things you can do here. In case you want to auto renew your domain, you can just easily switch it on. Your domain lock, you can unlock it, and you can switch on the Let's Encrypt SSL. And as you can see, we have free SSL added to this domain, and you can also make this domain your primary domain if you want to. And that's it basically. The next thing I like to do before I install WordPress is for me to point this domain to a subdirectory. This is very important for you if you know you want to install more than one website or one WordPress in your root file. So it's better you categorize them into different files. Else, if you add another domain to this hosting account and you install WordPress, it will just wipe away the old WordPress and then install new WordPress on your old domain. That's not something cool. You would lose your website if you do that. So for you to add more domains, you need to just put all your website into different folders, and that kind of makes sense for me. It makes your hosting account ID. You can easily move around, find where your website files are. So this is that tutorial. So if I scroll down now, I will see a place that says pointers and subdomain. So if I click this, you see that this domain is pointed to the home directory, and that's the root folder. So I will change it to subdirectory, and then I can just name it anything I want to name it. Since the name of the domain is Dav Tutorial, I will name it Dav Tutorial as well. So I can then save. So as you can see here, our domain has been automatically pointed to Dab's tutorial, and that means that a directory called Dab's tutorial would have been created in our files manager. I'll get to that in a brief. So we can continue. So if you come down here, you can add a subdomain to your domain, and any subdomain you want to add. iPage can give you access to unlimited subdomains, so you can add a subdomain if you want to, but we came here basically for pointers. So let's come back to summary. So basically what I want to do here is that I want to deactivate SSL. You can use the Let's Encrypt free SSL that comes from iPage, but I really just want to switch off this SSL. I don't want to use it right now, and I have my personal reasons for that. Okay, so right now the next thing I want to do is to install WordPress. So once you come down to WordPress, you can scroll down here and hit the get started button, and definitely you use your existing plan since you have a hosting account. So the title of the domain, the title of the website you want to create, I can say is Dab's Tutorial. Then I can put my email if I want to put the username and the password. So I will be filling my details. Okay, so now you have to make sure that you put in your password to be as encrypted that you get a green button, you get a green tick on all of these things. Make sure you have it's at least 5 characters. You have uppercase, you have lowercase, then you make sure that you have 2 numbers and then 1 symbol. If not, you won't have this blue button for you to install WordPress. So all you have to do is click the install WordPress, and WordPress should install on your domain. It was initially queued, and now we have WordPress running. Okay, so as you see here, our site name is Dav Tutorial, and this is ready. This blue icon here for a shortcut. So if we click this, it should take us to our WordPress website. And as you can see, WordPress is installed on davstutorial.com already. So this is exactly how to install WordPress with a click of a button using iPage. I hope this is this is helpful. This has shown you that you can now install WordPress with a click of a button with iPage. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comment, you can drop them for me in the comment section below. I would love to assist for that as much as possible as I can. And I also have lots of tutorial around how you can install WordPress. You can look for a premium theme you can install to make your website look like a pro. So you can watch around, take a look on my YouTube channel, and one of those videos will help you. Have a wonderful time. Bye for now.